Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to enable dark mode in the Microsoft Teams desktop app. If you're someone who spends a lot of time on Teams and prefers a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, then this video is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Teams desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in with your account. Next, look to the top right corner of the window and click on 3-point. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now click on the Appearance tab from the left-hand menu inside the Settings window. Under the Themes section, you'll see three options: Default, Dark, and High Contrast. Simply select Dark to enable dark mode. Once selected, the theme will change instantly to dark mode. You don't need to restart the app or save any settings. It applies automatically. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Microsoft Teams. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference during long hours of work. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips every week. Thanks for watching.